Hello, I'm going to talk about these mini splits. So, if you start seeing water dripping on the wall, you might have a little bit of a bigger problem than just unclogging this fan here in the front. There's another one in the back. Let me show you. You see it? That one, the one that's dripping. That one runs along in the back of the unit. So you would have to lift the unit up from here, lift it up, hold it, and then clean. It's about in here in the back, and you clean it, you wipe it. You'll see like a channel in the back. Just clean it off, and you're good to go. That's it. Thank you for watching.